Welcome to Techinaut, where we will be comparing mobile app development in React Native versus Flutter in 2023. As we know, both React Native and Flutter are two popular mobile application development frameworks that have been gaining immense popularity in recent times. In this video, we will explore both frameworks and help you understand which one is better for your mobile app development needs. Overview of React Native and Flutter. React Native was developed by Facebook in 2015 and is an open-source framework for building cross-platform mobile applications. It uses JavaScript and React to build native applications for Android, iOS, and web platforms. Flutter is an open-source UI development kit developed by Google in 2017. It uses Dart programming language to build high-performance, cross-platform mobile applications for Android and iOS. Development experience of React Native and Flutter. One of the key factors to consider while choosing between React Native and Flutter is the development experience. React Native developers use JavaScript and React, which are popular programming languages, making it easier for developers to get started with the framework. Flutter, on the other hand, uses Dart programming language, which may take some time for developers to get used to. Performance and user interface of React Native and Flutter. When it comes to performance and user interface, both frameworks offer exceptional results. React Native uses native components, which can offer a better user experience, but it can also lead to performance issues due to JavaScript bridge usage. On the other hand, Flutter uses a unique widget system that allows developers to create custom UI elements, leading to a more cohesive user interface experience. Community support and ecosystem of React Native and Flutter. React Native and Flutter is a community support and ecosystem. React Native has a larger community, which means it has more resources, libraries, and tools available for developers to use. On the other hand, Flutter is gaining popularity rapidly and has a growing community that is continuously improving the framework, but it may still lack the resources and libraries that React Native has to offer. Deployment and maintenance of React Native and Flutter. When it comes to deployment and maintenance, both frameworks offer easy-to-use tools and features. React Native uses native packaging tools for app deployment, while Flutter uses a custom-built packaging system. To conclude, both React Native and Flutter are excellent frameworks for mobile app development in 2023. React Native offers an easy-to-use development experience and a larger community, while Flutter offers better performance and a unique widget system for UI development. We hope this video has been informative and helped you make an informed decision. Thank you for watching.